Hi, I'm Ken Davis, President and co-founder of Cognition360. When I had my own MSP, I learned it was very important to have accurate insights into what our agreement profitability is, and equally important, how we can improve it. So in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to quickly show you how you can use next level analytics to provide actionable insights to improve your agreement profitability. Let's start with this high level summary view. It shows the various agreement types with revenue, profit margin, and effective rates. With Cognition, we have industry best practice benchmarks for their various agreement types, and this in itself can be very insightful. But the real power with Cognition is when we go to the next level and surface up when you're burning more time on an agreement than what you'd like, including time categorized as do not bill. It's way too late at the end of a month to run a report and find, we've burnt way more time on that agreement than what we would have liked and our profit is down. The key is to identify during the month, at the time when these labour spikes are occurring, and you'll be aware there can be many reasons for such blowouts. For example, it might be a new user, problems with something in their environment, but Cognition's algorithms will surface up these labour spikes as they're occurring and allow you to drill in and find out what's happening so you can nip them in the bud. Just using this one thing, we've seen improvements in agreement profitability with our customers that are really quite significant. For example, I was talking to a partner a few weeks ago. They do around $3 million a year in agreements, and by using Cognition, they're able to increase their agreement profitability by 10%. And that was an extra $300,000 for them that all flowed through to their bottom line. Let's see how they did it. In this graph, what we can see is the actual hours versus the target hours. Cognition's algorithms calculate target hours for each agreement based on your own business rules. In point 1, as we're onboarding a new customer, we're burning more time as we'd expect. And then as we track along, we see that our actual hours are below the target hours, which means we are making good margin. But then we can see in point number 2 that we're getting a labour spike, and Cognition will surface these spikes up when they're occurring during the month and provide you the ability to drill down to see what's happening. Here we can see all the tickets for that agreement, who's worked and is working on them, and we can drill further into the ticket details or click on this link to pop open the ticket in ConnectWise. This visibility enables you to quickly understand what is happening and nip these spikes in the bud, leading to reduced time and increased profitability. Another view we can look at is effective rates, and here we can see our top customers, the one where we're achieving the best rates. And on the other side, we can see we're achieving the least effective rates, the least profitable customers for this agreement type. And we can also look at agreement profitability over time. This view is showing all customers for an agreement type, and again, what we can do is drill into a particular month. For example, there was a dip in August for this customer, and we can drill in and look at the hard costs and the labour costs. And with just a few clicks, we can get the insights we need to not only see how our agreements are performing over time, but drill down to find out when and why any poor profitability occurred. All of what you are seeing is made possible by our platform architecture, where our data warehouse and data transformation engine is optimized for ConnectWise. Unlike other reporting tools, we can analyze data over time to understand trends, and we can drill down into the data to establish why variances are occurring. We offer more than 100 Power BI reports and views which work right out of the box and cover all aspects of your business. For example, we have an agreement invoice comparison report which provides the ability to quickly review month-on-month differences ahead of sending invoices to customers. If you'd like to know more, simply click the button on our website and we'll schedule a demo with your own data. That demo will hone in on areas of your business which will give you the most rapid efficiency and bottom line improvements. As I said, entry-level customers achieve at least a 10% improvement in bottom line profitability. More mature Cognition partners are achieving 30% or better, and some partners are doing even better than that. We'd love to show you how.